All right, guys. I just got home, or I just finished eating. I'm all ready to go with this ASM 41, and we are going to go live. We are live. We have a local time of 7:01 here, 7:01 here, and we're going to come over to our randomizer 7:01 here. We got the ASM 41 all set up. We got 12 names, quick list. Boom, there we go. We're going to go ahead and we're going to roll 3 dice. Excuse me. That's the first rule. It's going to go 11 times. Two more rounds. All right, the next round takes the book home. Top spot is spot number 4, Lisa Joe. Spot number 4, Lisa Joe. We've got a. Here is our verification here. We're going to go ahead, and here's our local time of 7:02, 7:02, and 7:02. We're all set here. We're going to go ahead and I'm done. Congratulations.